In this video, we cover how to navigate through presets and their use cases to ensure consistency across your website and help you save time when applying repeating styles. With presets, set up your preferred combinations of color schemes, typography, and layout configurations to optimize your time and streamline your design process. Create a new preset to design your website from scratch. Duplicate an existing preset for your future convenience to always have the initial version as a backup. Craft distinct typography presets to guarantee optimal readability of your content in different languages. Go to the dashboard to apply presets to a needed language. Make use of presets during festive seasons to both preserve the original web design and structure and convey the holiday mood. Remember that presets have many applications beyond what we've covered so far. In this tutorial, we've only touched upon the most frequently used ones. Make sure to watch our next video on widgets to see how to incorporate and customize them in your website design effectively. Stay tuned for more. Questions? We're just a click away, 24/7.